As per the latest compliance regulations, the process for generating your API key has been updated. The new process implemented from 1st April 2026 is as follows. Log into trade.shoonya.com using your credentials. On the top right corner of the screen, click on your client ID. You will be taken to the API key generation page. Here, you will see a secret code. Click on the I icon to view the code. Refer to the document given in the description to whitelist your IP. After this, click on Update to whitelist your static IP. If you have a backup IP, you can whitelist that as well. After that, click on Update and your IP will be whitelisted. Second option, to redirect URL. Refer to the document in description and check Appendix URLs and OAuth reference section and click on highlighted link. Edit your client ID in link to your actual client ID. Now, you will be redirected to authentication page. After this, simply right-click and go to Inspect page. Now, click on Network Settings and refresh it. Then click on Authorize button. Then, you need to check Auth login code. For this, simply click Payload. Here, you will see your code. To generate your token, you will require two credentials, code and checksum. Checksum is a 𝗧𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 hash created from the combination of the client ID, secret key and code without any spaces. Now, simply search 𝗧𝗂𝗶𝗻 online and click on first search result URL. Now, on website, simply enter your client ID, secret code and code that we just generated without any space. Your checksum is created. Now, we can directly run it on Postman. Now in Postman, for the URL, refer to the document in the description. Select the post method under authorization section. Select bearer token as auth type and paste the checksum as a token. Now, go to body section, edit code and checksum. Now, click on Send. Your access token will be generated. For Python API trading, go to github.com, access our API file 𝗟𝘂𝗶𝗻 there and download it. Once the file is downloaded, extract the file. Now, open the file in Visual Studio Code. After opening, the file will look like this. Here are the test cases and the credential file. These are all test cases. Here is the get auth code file. This is used to generate the auth code. The auth code will be generated from this. From test_api.py, your access token will be generated. So first of all, you will add credentials to the cred file. This will include your client ID and secret code. Your account ID will be same as your client ID, which is mentioned on trade.shoonya.com. Save the credentials. Now you have to generate the auth code. For this, click on Get Auth Code. Click on it and add your credentials, which will be your client ID mentioned on trade.shoonya.com. Enter your user ID, trading account password or TOTP, which is your 32-bit string. You will get it on trade.shoonya.com after clicking on Profile, Security, TOTP. For the auth login URL, add your user ID or client ID along with your secret code. The user token will remain the same by default. Now open terminal of main path and run cd _api.py -python.getauthcode.py. Now your auth code will be generated. Then run python test_auth.py. After that, enter your generated auth code. Now your access token and refresh token is available. Now you can test any file by entering access token in cred file. For more information, please refer to the API circular shared in the description below. Clients using third-party vendors are also advised to review the details.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.